Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are good. Okay students, in our last class we discussed about what is frequency, time period, amplitude, pitch and loudness of a sound. Today we are going to discuss about how sound is produced by humans. Okay, yes, sound is produced by voice box called larynx. This larynx is at upper end of windpipe. This larynx is at upper end of windpipe. There are two vocal cords attached to it. There are two vocal cords attached to it. There is a narrow gap between them. There is a narrow gap between them from where air can pass. Okay, all of you can understand. Okay, students, when we are not talking, these vocal cords far apart each other. Okay, these vocal cords are far apart each other. Okay, but when we are start talking, these vocal cords are come together. These vocal cords are come together when we are start talking. These vocal cords are come together, leaving only narrow gap. Okay, air can pass through this narrow gap. This makes vocal cord vibrating and sound is produced. Okay, all of you clear how sound is produced by humans? Okay. Students, how do we hear sounds? Yes, our ear has a funnel-like shape. At the end of the funnel, we have a thin structured membrane called eardrum. Okay, when there is a sound, the sound vibrations make our eardrum vibrate. Okay, our eardrum sends vibrations to the inner ear. Okay, from there the signal goes to the brain. That's how we can hear sounds. Okay, all of you clear? Next, audible and inaudible sounds. Audible sounds means sounds which can be heard by us. Sound which can be heard by us is called audible sound. Okay, the range of audible frequency for human ear is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. It means human beings can hear sound having frequency from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Okay, all of you clear? Yes, the next inaudible sound. Inaudible sound means sound which cannot hear. Okay, it's called inaudible sound. Inaudible sound means sound which we are not able to hear is called inaudible sound. Example, human beings cannot hear sounds having frequency less than 20 hertz. Okay, is called intrasonic or intrasound. Okay, human beings cannot hear sound having frequency less than 20 hertz. Okay, it's called intrasonic or intrasounds. The next, yes, human beings cannot hear sounds having frequency more than 20,000 hertz. It's called ultrasonic or ultrasounds. Okay, human beings cannot hear intrasounds and ultra sounds. Okay, all of you clear? What is audible sound and inaudible sound? Okay, we can hear sound having frequency 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. It's called audible sound, and we cannot hear sound having frequency less than 20 hertz called intrasonic or intrasound. Then we cannot hear sound having frequency more than 20 hertz called ultrasonic or ultrasounds. It's called inaudible sound. Okay, all of you clear what is inaudible and audible sounds? Okay, students. Students, the next sound is divided into two. Noise and music. Here noise means a sound which is unpleasant to hear. Music means sound which is pleasant to hear. Yes, we like to hear music very much. Is it? Yes. Here examples of noise is sound of horns of buses. Yes, we feel very unpleasant to hear horn sound of buses. Then next, yes, sound of electrical appliance like mixtures. Yes, we feel unpleasant to hear electrical appliance sounds. Then next, sounds of, yes, construction activity. Okay, these are the examples of noise. Then next, music. Yes, we all like to hear music. Yes, sound which is pleasant to hear is called music. Example, yes, sound of musical instruments like guitar, harmonium. Yes, we feel very pleasant to hear music, is it? Yes. The next, sound of a melodious singer. Yes, we feel very pleasant to hear melodious song. Okay, all of you clear what is noise and what is music? Okay, students, we will see in our next class. Thank you.